You've probably heard all the buzzwords: artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. But what do they actually mean? Are they the same thing? Are they different? And how do they work in real life? Stick around, because in the next few minutes I'll give you the clearest, easiest explanation you've ever heard. Let's imagine a self-driving car. It needs to recognize traffic lights, avoid pedestrians, make decisions, navigate to your destination. If a machine can do these kinds of tasks that normally require human intelligence, we call that artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the goal, making machines capable of performing intelligent actions. It's the car acting smart. But how does a car learn to recognize a stop sign or understand when to brake? That's where machine learning comes in. Instead of coding every possible situation manually, we feed the car tons of data, like thousands of images of stop signs, and the system learns patterns from the data. You don't tell the car a stop sign is red, octagonal, and says stop. You show it examples, and it figures that out on its own. In our self-driving car example, basic machine learning might recognize a stop sign on a sunny day with perfect visibility. But what if it's raining, the sign is faded, or it's half covered by a tree? That's where deep learning comes in. Deep learning models are built to process massive amounts of data and learn from examples in many layers. They're excellent at understanding images, video, audio, and language, and are much better at handling messy real-world inputs. A self-driving car uses deep learning to detect pedestrians in motions, read traffic lights and signs in poor visibility, predict what other vehicles or people might do next, analyze video feeds from multiple cameras simultaneously. So, here's how to remember it. AI is a concept, making machines smart. Machine learning is a method, learning from data. Deep learning is a tool, neural networks doing the heavy lifting. Now you know the difference, clearly and simply. Alright, now that you've got the basics down, want to see how much you actually remember? I've put together a quick 5-question quiz to test your knowledge of AI, machine learning and deep learning. Just click the link in the description or go to the link provided in the video to take the quiz now. Let me know about your results in the comments, and I'd love to see how you did. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I've got more clear tech explainers coming your way. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.